Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use motion tracking in Filmora 13. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Filmora application, and as you can see, I have imported my video and added an emoji to my project, and I'm going to use motion tracking to cover this girl's face with this emoji. And if we want to do that, we can tap on our video and then go to the AI tools right here, and we have to scroll down and activate the motion tracking. Just like that, and I'm going to place this square to the face since I want to use motion tracking to cover the face with emoji, and then I'm going to click to start motion. Okay, and now the moving object is being tracked. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to use the emoji to track this face. So I'm going to go to the AI tools again, and I'm going to go to the motion track. Wait, I'm going to tap on my video, and then we're going to click on link and choose the emoji. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to play the video to check the result. Alright. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use motion tracking in Filmora 13. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.